The 28-page report documents recent cases in which High Court judges ruling on electoral petitions found that candidates and their campaign agents committed criminal acts, yet the alleged crimes were rarely investigated and prosecuted. Human Rights Watch also notes that some of those who allegedly committed crimes during the 2006 elections continue to hold high office.
I don't think that it is good for Uganda to have a climate of impunity, particularly surrounding campaigns. It's a time when everyone must feel that the law will protect them and their rights equally.
The watchdog says that for Uganda's elections to be conducted freely and fairly, the country's laws need to be enforced equally for all parties during the campaign. Perpetrators of politically motivated violence and electoral offences such as bribery and intimidation of voters should be held accountable for their actions.
High Court judges have actually found that criminal activity has taken place during some campaigns. Results are set aside. Sometimes the aggrieved candidate will win in the second election. But at the end of the day, the criminal acts which took place during the first election are not routinely addressed.
The report cites the Bugwere by-election pitting Minister Kirunda Kivejinja and an opposition politician Abdu Katuntu that was marred by malpractices. But in January 2009, President Yoweri Museveni named Kivejinja Minister of Internal Affairs, putting him in charge of police that will provide security during the 2011 campaign and on election day. At the time of filing this report, Honorable Kivejinja could not be reached on his cell phone. Human Rights Watch urges Parliament to clarify the wording of the law and that alleged crimes be immediately and consistently handed over to police for investigation.
When people feel that their rights are not being protected and other people are getting away with it, it can lead to resentment, which can over time create political instability and civil unrest.
The rights watchdog also calls on government to prevent military involvement in the electoral process, particularly on election day, because its presence can intimidate candidates and voters. Patrick Amara, NTV Tonight.